Hey everyone, today we're talking about making money online with a faceless automated YouTube channel. This is a super easy and potentially low-effort way to bring in some cash. As you can see, even channels without showing faces can pull in serious money through Google AdSense. But remember, these are estimates and the actual income might be higher. Choosing your niche. The first step is picking a niche for your channel. Ideally, it should be something you're interested in or have some knowledge of. This will help you stay motivated and overcome challenges. Struggling for ideas? Use an AI assistant like ChatGPT to find popular YouTube niches. Today we'll use the example of personal finance. Naming and first video idea. Next, come up with a catchy channel name. ChatGPT can help here too, and brainstorm video ideas. Pro tip, use VidIQ to find trending videos. VidIQ is a fantastic tool for finding trending videos, especially those from smaller channels with high view counts. This can be great inspiration for your own content. Now comes the magic. We'll use InVideo AI to create our faceless video. Don't worry, it's free to test out. Here's how it works. Copy the title of a trending video you found on VidIQ. Paste it into InVideo AI with a request like, make a 10-minute YouTube video with this title. Optional, specify details like voiceover accent and tone for the AI narration. Uploading and optimizing your video. Once you're happy with the video, export it and upload it to your YouTube channel. Oh, and don't forget to create a channel if you haven't already and get yourself a profile picture and banner. Here are some key things to optimize your video for better ranking. Compelling title. Make it clear and relevant to your content. Engaging description. Briefly explain the video and include keywords. Eye-catching thumbnail. Use a thumbnail generator or ChatGPT for ideas. Relevant tags. Use VidIQ to generate tags based on your video content. And just to show you how, we can use VidIQ to generate the video title, description, and tags. Monetization and consistency. This process of finding trending videos, creating content through InVideo AI, and optimizing for YouTube can be repeated to build a consistent upload schedule. There are several ways to monetize your channel AdSense. Earn money through ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products and earn commissions. Sponsorships. Partner with brands for sponsored content. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into monetization strategies, check out the free masterclass link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Check the description below for another video with even more easy side hustles you can try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Watch the linked video for more side hustle ideas. Let me know in the comments what other faceless YouTube channels you enjoy. See you next time.